All right, here we come to the elevators in the Kinder building at the Museum of Fine Arts, Houston, in Houston, Texas. Look at this interesting call station. I like that custom-made table call station. Anyways, here we go. This is some sort of an updated revisit of these elevators. We got one perfect timing.
Okay, yeah.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Just a heads up to you, these elevators are insanely busy, even when it's off-peak time. So we're gonna get a quick cab view of this. And unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to hear the motor because the fan is overpowering it. And these are as slow as can be. It chimed that time, along with the grocery store beep. What do we know? We finally did it. Full nonstop ride. Looks like the other elevator car just left. All right, let's call the other elevator car right now. Yeah, these elevators are insanely busy. Lots and lots of people are getting on, even though no matter how quiet it is, these elevators are, normally when it's quiet, these elevators are not usually as busy as it is during busy hours like the weekends and stuff. All right, here it is. This one's got the generic beep. 3. coming down?
Alright.
Your floor?
Is there a towel?
That's at the lower level.
Okay, lower levels.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
You're welcome. All right, finally did it, y'all. Got an amazing video without stopping a whole bunch of times. Unfortunately, you're not able to hear the motor because of the fan. And these are also slow. They could have put in a traction elevator. This is way too slow for amount of floors. Makes this wait time even longer than it is. But anyways, finally, thankfully I didn't have to attempt like countless times. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.